makeup look. I do this every Halloween. I think I started this in 2019, I think. But I'm going to create a playlist, and let me know in the comments if when you do, or if you do check out the playlist, has my makeup skills improved from when I first did it to now? But this year, Revolution has brought out Marvel, like Suicide Squad and like Batman and everything makeup range. So I got the Harley Quinn makeup palette. There was the lipstick, but it wasn't red, and I knew I wouldn't wear it after this video because I only like getting things if I'm generally going to use them after the video. Yes, I love creating makeup looks and doing this as a hobby, but if I'm not going to use it after the video, what's the point of buying it? But let's get into the video. So this is the makeup palette. I will actually say I have used this, but I just have not done the Harley Quinn makeup look. So this is the colours. The colours that I've already used are these ones down here and that one. But today I'm going to use these two colours and that blue one for the blue. And probably a tiny bit of that for the pink one. But because the mirror is tiny, I've got a bigger palette with a bigger mirror on. I've also got my typical Tanya Burr lipstick. This is not available anymore. Hasn't been available for years, but I just keep it for like Halloween looks. So this is the lipstick. I should probably get a new one, but that's the only makeup product that I have that I don't use except from filming. Now that I've shown you everything that I'm going to put on my face to create the Harley Quinn look, let's get started. I'm going to start with the eye primer because that's one product I did not show you, but I've got the Too Faced eye primer for your eyes. Next thing I'm going to do is the eyeshadow. I'm not going to put any foundation or concealer on because the main reason for this video is to see how I do the eyeshadow and the lipstick. It's not really the base makeup, so if I don't have to do that, I won't do that. I'm going to do it the blue on this eye and the pink on that eye because for photos and like the thumbnail, it will be the way I'm looking at the camera, but the way you're looking, I think it will be the other way around. I don't think so, but the blue's going on that eye, so I'm going to do the blue first. I'm using the only blue in this palette, and that's the like glittery blue purple. I'm going to use that on top. I will say it's not very pigmented, but I find Revolution's palette's not that pigmented anyway. You need to normally put loads on. But I love this colour. I would generally wear, probably not the way I'm going to do this makeup look, but I will wear this in everyday life because I love my colourful makeup. And now I'm going to just like slowly do it underneath my eye and like drape it a bit because it looks like it's been hit by rain on Harley Quinn's face, so it's like a little bit off her face. Now I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to do that colour there. That one. That's such a nice colour. So that is the eye for this one. If you want it more natural, you can get rid of like this bit. But I just know on the movie she has it like kind of down a bit. On to the next eye. For the next eye, I'm going to be using this bright pink. The bright pink, for the reason it's brighter than the light one, is way more pigmented. I won't need to put like as much eyeshadow as I did with the blue one. Put a little bit of the light pink actually. So now they don't have really a pink silver in here. There is the purple, but I'm going to use the white silver on the pink eye. So that eye isn't the best. It never really is the best eye to do for me because that is my left side and I've got cerebral palsy, so I've got left side hemiplegia, so that for one. And also I've got psoriasis, so that eye is the main one that gets more affected by my psoriasis. So mind the way that one looks, but this is the look so far. I'm not going to put mascara on because I've been having like a flare up and I don't want to put too much makeup on, but I did want to do this look for you guys. This is the look so far. Now I'm going to put this on, or do this. Now let's put on the final product, and that is the lipstick. I'm not going to do the little love heart. If you do want to see me do that, I will link the playlist of my Harley Quinn makeup looks that I've done over the years, and it will show me doing it. I'm terrible at it. That's why I'm not doing it. Also, if you do want to be Harley Quinn for Halloween and you don't want to like go all out, this is like a simple but nice way of doing it. You're still like rocking the Harley Quinn look, but just not all the accessories, like all the details. But you do definitely need a red lipstick. So now that I've done the lipstick, you do a little like you done there, just a little line of like faded lipstick. So I've just put some there and I'm going to blend it in so it's not as bright. So that is the final look. So this is a simple makeup look that everyone will know what you are meant to be, even if it is like a 10-minute makeup look. Altogether this took me about 10 or 15 minutes. It didn't take long, and you can put the little love heart and the name and everything on as well if you want to, but if you don't like that, this is how you can do it and people will still know that you're Harley Quinn for Halloween. I did used to have a top, so I would do the full-on outfit, but I don't have that anymore. So this is the end of the video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to do an extra upload on Saturday. I would do it on Sunday like I used to, but because it's Halloween and my videos go up at 5 o'clock, I'm going to do it on Saturday. So if anyone wants to do this look or it's coming up on Saturday, you can do it. Like, it's not, you've got time to practice. You've got a full night to practice. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!